All right, it's gonna be a quick video showing the app for the PROFLEX Commander. I just got done installing it earlier. See, it's nighttime. I'm about to go get some gas. Let me see where it's at. So it still got a little gas. Say range 23. I was just gonna go down, but so you want to go to the App Store. I don't know how it works for Android. I don't even know who has an Android, iPhone only. So you go to the App Store, you hit search, and you're just gonna type in PROFLEX. And just hit search, and here it is right here. I already have it on my phone, but I'm just showing you where to find it at. It's gonna say PROFLEX Connect. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. All right, so it says take a tour or connect. Let me see if my camera focusing. It's nighttime, so I don't know if it's gonna focus in, but anyway, so the top green button is gonna say connect. You hit connect. It's saying scanning. All right, so it's loaded up, and you see it says 10% ethanol. Now, anybody that know gas, like when you get gas, it's not 100% gasoline. It's always a little ethanol in there, but not the most it can be. So, like I said, I got a little gas in here, 23 miles. It's showing 10%, and that's basically it. This is going to show you how much percentage ethanol you have in your car. So, like I said, I'm about to go fill up right now, so we're going to see how much this changed. Right now, it's basically between 9 and 10, and that's pretty much it. So you just want to go to the App Store, type in PROFLEX. It's going to come up. The app is called PROFLEX Connector, and you're just going to download that, open this up, and hit connect. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, and that's it. All right, so I just filled up. You see it says 60 is still going up because I just filled up. Like I said, I had a little 91 in here, but not too much. It's still kind of teeter-totting, still going up because it's still adjusting. Just filled the car up. And anytime you go to a gas station, it's not 100% 85. It's anywhere between 51 and 85. If you go in the store and you ask them how much, they got to tell you what their rating is, how much it is. So I believe this is basically 64, 65, which that's good. You know, so because like I said, it was a little 91 in here. Plus, I didn't ask what the rating is just because I was just doing the first test fill up, and this place is right here by my house. So I'm gonna search around and see who has the highest rating. If it's not too far out my way, then I go check it out. But like I said, this is pretty high right here. It's going anywhere from 66, 67. 67 being the highest, but that's pretty much it. Yeah, so I'm about to see how it runs. Got the cold air intake in, got the E85 kit, and just about to do a couple of pulls up the street and see how it moves.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here getting